Hello students, today we are going to study the chapter number 8 of SS. The name of the chapter is Indian Heritage and Culture. Now students, you know that our country is a country of so many diversities, so many different cultures and so many different heritage place in our country. Now, in this chapter, first of all, I will tell you what is the meaning of heritage and cultural heritage. Heritage means something inherited from the past and passed on to future generations, means which is belonging to the past, which was in the history in the past, and it was passed on to the future generations, means the places which are built at the time of the Mughal emperors or the Maratha emperors at that time, and that is passed on away to our generation now. Now, cultural heritage often refers to the masterpieces of artists and historic value passed on over times. Now, cultural heritage. Cultural heritage, which is the cultural places in our country, that monuments, that places that are passed on, and that historical places which gives us the moral values also of that time. Okay students, I hope you had understood about the cultural heritage. Now we will study about our chapter. The first topic of this chapter is the architecture. Now students, you know that architecture is the person who designs and do the construction work for the making of the building or offices, houses, any place. So that is architecture. They make the proper figure or the proper mapping of the place they do, and then they used to make the diagram figure of that place, that how they will construct that place. Now in this chapter we are going to study the different architectures or that which were in the type of ancient period, medieval period and modern period. Now here you can see that one brick is shown. This brick, it is of the time of the Harappan civilizations, and this type of baked bricks were used to construct houses at the time of Harappan civilization. Now here this is a picture of Harappan civilization, and then you can see that here that Harappan civilization, at that time this type of houses were constructed. Then the next thing, that is that here you can see this is the picture of Sanchi Stupa of Madhya Pradesh. This is the ancient period monument place. Now this place, this type of places were made at the time of the Buddhist people. The Buddhist and the temple architects introduced fine sculptures to the buildings, and they had also used the spaces like the caves and materials such as the large rocks for the construction. They had used this type of large rocks, this type of big rocks they had used for the constructions. Okay, and then after the next is, that is the medieval period. At that time, in the medieval period, the Mughal Rajas were there, and their identity was that the tombs which were made on their buildings. Now tomb means this type of half semicircle made. So this type of tombs were made on their buildings, and in the medieval period, domes or semicircular roofs over buildings became a trademark. Trademark means it shows that this place belongs to the Mughal emperors. Okay, and this type of architecture, it is generally found on the Indo-Islamic architecture. Then the next which we are going to study, that is the modern period. This type of modern architectures were done when the Britishers came in our country, and this is the influence of that only. Means this is the place of, do you guess it? Yes, it is the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus of Mumbai. So this Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus, it is having the architecture of British time. Now it has the architecture which was done by the Britishers So that this type of architectures was shown here. You can see here upside also the statues are there and these things. So this type of different architectures we had studied, students. That first one we had seen, this is the Sanchi Stupa. It is located, it is in the Madhya Pradesh, and it belongs to the ancient period. The next which we had studied, it was the Humayun's tomb. It is in the Delhi and it belongs to the medieval period. And the third one which we had seen, that is the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus, and it belongs to the modern period. So these three different types of architectures we had studied, beta. That first one was the ancient period, Sanchi Stupa. It was used by the big bricks, that is the specialty of it. Second one which we had studied, this is the Humayun's tomb. The specialty of it is having the tomb on the upper part of it. It is the identity of that Mughal emperors. Then the third one which we had studied, that was the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus of Mumbai, and it is the architecture having the modern period architecture which was influenced by the Britishers. I hope you had studied this, you had understood about these things. Thank you.